Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to download your Facebook photos at once. So first of all, open your Facebook and click on your profile, click on settings and privacy, and click on settings, click on privacy, and click on your Facebook information, and click on download profile information. Select here format and select media quality and click on date range, and to download all of your Facebook photos at once you have to select all time and then click on deselect all, and you have to select only post and scroll down all the way to the bottom and click on request a download, and it may take some time to get the download link. So after 2 minutes, here's I got the download link, so I'm gonna clicking here and clicking on download, and to download enter here your Facebook account password and click on confirm, and here you can see I've successfully downloaded my Facebook account photos. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.